Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You can see straight away in front of me I have 7 Christmas ornament shapes. I call them baubles. You can see they are slightly different. So these two don't have this bulge at the top where you would hang from, but they do both have what looks like hanging holes. We will find out. I'm going to pour the resin into the gap and then it will end up with, I don't know how to explain it, negative space. I think that's the right terminology. So this bit here where I'm touching at the moment, the raised bit, if I hold this up closer, the raised bits here won't have resin in them, they will just be a clear space. And then the sunken bits will be resin. So I think they'll look quite cool. I am using the resin that I first began my resin journey with. Now I buy this from a company in the UK called swindonCompositeSupplies.co.uk. And I'm using the Quick Cure. Part A is the same, Part B is different, so Quick Cure or it would be EH125 Part B. I've got the 25 Part B, which is the Quick Cure. Now this says it gives me a working time of between 45 and 60 minutes, which is more than long enough for what I need it for. I'm going to be colouring the resin with some white resin pigment paste, pretty standard, and I also have this little pot of white glitter. I thought it would be quite nice to have sort of a glittery sheen to them maybe, if it shows through. Who knows, we will find out. If I can open this glitter, am I pressing the wrong bit? Possibly. Has that gone in? There we go, a hole has been formed. Great. So this resin is mixed by weight. It is 2 parts A, 1 part B. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've mixed up some resin here. It is 120 grams of resin, so 80 of part A, 40 of part B. I'm going to go ahead, grab a little cocktail stick for pigment paste. Now what everyone I've seen online says about this stuff is true. You do not need a lot of it at all. You just go again, that should be more than enough. Scrape that back into the pot. Oops. Make sure that lid's nice and tight, which it is, great. Just going to mix that in. So you can see this resin is so liquidy. I love it so much. It spreads really easily for things like this, the intricate details. You can pretty much, well, what I'm going to try and do is pour pretty much in 1 or 2 spots and just let it do its thing, let it move about on its own. I won't need to prod or poke it too much, which is great. So there we go. We've got, it is still a little bit translucent, which is fine because I want to be able to see my glitter. So I'm just going to dump a decent amount in. A little bit sparkly, let's go for some more. Close that lid before I forget and chuck it everywhere, which would be very annoying to clean up. Now, can you see? Move this light around. you see the shimmery glitteriness slightly? Still not very good at lighting and filming setups. I'm more about the making of the resin thing or whatever I'm working on rather than the lighting, but I will try and get better, I promise. So I've got them all lined out. I'm literally just going to jump straight in as always. There's nothing else left to do but go for it and start pouring. Right. Oh, I feel nervous, I don't know why. Right, go for it. See how quickly that just spreads itself out? There's definitely uses for thinner resins and thicker resins. Just depends what you're making, which is what I'm learning, which is great. Just going to go through, pour a bit in each, and then come back to top up. Let it do its thing. Find its own way around. This one's going to be more difficult. Actually wait until I've got less, or that one's going to be difficult. Okay. Right. I'm aware that might look a little bit crazy from your point of view. Just pouring it all over the mould, but going for the... it will fill in the gaps, hopefully, approach. And I'm going to come back through with some cotton wool buds anyway, and wipe off the worst of any overflows. Ooh, they look cool. Love it. That one's got way too much on it, never mind. Hopefully this is the right approach, but we will find out. Oh, I still haven't put any in here. Completely missed that one. Tiny hair in there, did I get it? Yes, good. I have a beard, so my beard hair gets absolutely everywhere. It is annoying, but I also love my beard, so I'm not getting rid of it. In a bit of a rambly mood today, aren't I? You might not hear any of this, I might cut it all out. Right, top you up a little bit. Cotton wool buds. I'm literally just sort of mopping up the overpour. That one looks good, that one looks great. This one has far too much in it. Do I have any pipettes handy? 1 second. Pipette to the rescue. I'm just going to suck some back out. Back in my cup. Go in again. Back in the cup. Now, I'll try and shift this excess. Yeah, it's still too much. Okay. Try a slightly different idea on this one. Where's my cotton wool buds? I think that's going to be fine, you know. I think if anything, the mould's just going to need more cleaning than the other ones. Oh, they look so cute. I wonder what's going on. Are they air bubbles? Yes, they are. Is there too much in this one, perhaps? Better, 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 better. I think these are going to look really cool. Definitely the bigger ones are going to look cool. I'm a little bit worried about pulling them out of the mould and breaking the more delicate ones, but I think the bigger ones will be fine. But we shall find out together. This here looks like a massive air bubble, but it's just sort of a... It looks to me like it's a gap. I don't think... No, there is no space for resin to flow into there, so I'm just going to leave that. Right, I'll see you when they're cured. Okay, it's a couple of days later. These are all nice and set. These ones I'm not worried about at all. I think they're going to come out fine. These ones I am worried about. I don't think I put enough resin in them. Where it's set, these are all flush with the top, and these have sunk. So I'm worried that they're just going to be so thin they're just going to snap. So let's go for these ones first. That'll be good practice for me for demoulding. So hopefully everything just pops out nicely. Pretty please, that'd be great. This one looks awesome already. How cool. Oh, and the glitter's all gone to the bottom. Can you see that on camera? How cute. Oh, I love that. That's so cute. Oh, sorry. This is our scene, the manger. Our scene is Joseph and Mary. So this is our back. So this, all the glitter sunk to the other side, which is now the front. Ta-da! Glittery. Love that one as well. These are really cute. I love these. I really want all of these to work out now as well. Okay, so on this one, had some overpour there. So I'm going to need to come in with a knife and try and cut all this off, I think. Do I need to? I can probably poke it out from this side. Hang on. Yeah. Perfect. Do I have anything smaller to hand than this? No. Okay, I'm going to carry on demoulding, because this would be boring for you guys otherwise. There's a bit of overfill. Can you even see it? I don't think you can. You see it that way? Yeah, here. Just where I've overfilled the mould a bit too much. But that's all good. So this is our reindeer running through the forest. There's a reindeer shape here, so reindeer watching the snowfall maybe. And this one will be our close-up reindeer. Ta-da! So glittery again. Right, first delicate one. Going better than expected. However, I have noticed a problem with this mould. So let's talk about that first. These at the top have bent over when it's been shipped to me. And I'm not sure how to get them to bend back. Any suggestions? Gratefully received. That came out a lot easier than I thought it would. Oh, it's a little church in the tree. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Next. Oh, this is coming out no problem at all. Cute snowflakes. I don't even notice that these two don't have the bulge out at the top to hang from, because I've got the hole here anyway. So it doesn't really matter. I love them all though, they're so cute. Right, last one with the writing in it, and the one that I think out of any will break. But we're being bold. I'm just going for it. Cute, it didn't break. Happy about that. I love them. How cute, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And I will see you in the next one. Have an awesome day.